come up with another ionic equation. But this time round, the ionic equation we have come up with, we have used a different example. We have used potassium reacting with sulfuric acid. In the first example, we used sodium reacting with hydrochloric acid. And you can see how we have come up with our ionic equations. So, ladies and gentlemen, what we have just represented is ionic equations for metals and acids. So, those ionic equations for metals and acids, that's how they actually happen, ladies and gentlemen. Now, we are moving on to another one. Okay? So, we are going to find out soluble ionic compounds in acids. Okay? Ionic equations representing soluble ionic compounds, in acids. So these are the next examples of ionic compounds we are going to talk about. Soluble ionic compounds in acids. Okay? So that's where we are going to. So we are going to use a soluble ionic compound like, say for example, sodium hydrogen carbonate, aqueous, reacting with hydrochloric acid, aqueous. So ladies and gentlemen, we know very well from our principles that we shall form a salt, water, and carbon dioxide. But what will be the salt we shall form? Sodium chloride. So we shall end up forming sodium chloride, aqueous, plus water, liquid, then plus carbon dioxide, which is a gas. So that will be our equation for the reaction, ladies and gentlemen. We need to balance our equation and find out whether it is balanced. Sodium 1, sodium 1, hydrogen 1, hydrogen 1 plus 1, 2, hydrogen 2. Okay, we have this and this, those are 2, 2, okay? Carbon 1, carbon 1. Oxygen 3, oxygen 2 plus 1, 3. So that is our equation for the reaction. So, if we have soluble ionic compounds in acids, how do we go about their ionic equations?